Which famous railway was built in the mid-19th century to connect London with the industrial north of England? Is it number 1, Great Western Railway? Is it number 2, Midland Railway? Or is it number 3, London and North Western Railway? The answer is number 3, London and North Western Railway.
The London and North Western Railway, Lenwar, was one of the largest railway companies in Britain during the 19th and early 20th century. It was formed in 1846 by the merger of several smaller railway companies, and its main line ran from London to the industrial north of England.